Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn Microsoft Family Safety on and off. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to manage how this actually interacts with your PC, like for example, you want to have this turned on and off at some times, well, changing the status or turning it on or off is quite easy. So in this case, you want to go to your search bar at the very bottom of your screen and just type in the following. It's going to be firewall. And you want to look for the option that says allow an app through Windows Firewall. So let's go ahead and just select this one. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and just look for Microsoft Family. So it might take a while, so just scroll down a bit here until you get into the M section, and you want to look for Microsoft Family Safety. Now, by default, Microsoft Family Safety is turned on. So you have private and public connections here. So by default, it has this check on it. It means it's turned on. Now, if you want to turn it off, you can go and just click on the check at the right side here. So the check boxes, you want to go and just remove the check on them, and that should turn off Microsoft Family Safety. Now, if you want to turn them on, you can go and just add a check next to it, and that should basically turn on the Microsoft Family Safety feature. But in this case, just click on the OK button here to save your changes, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.